you people hate each other? Should we tell her? Let me do it, because you're gonna mess it up. These ugly people never be apart and always be friends, because they're ugly and they'll never be apart ever. It's easy to do something unforgettable. What are you saying about gay? It's not saying it's okay, it's just fun.
Hurt me just like I'm about to hurt you.
Why you always have to take this seriously? Why you always have to take this seriously? Why you always take this thing seriously? West Bomb. This is the time we got to die. Everything's gonna be okay, I promise. Hey, what does this does? Oops. Refused. This is crazy. This is real crazy. Maybe our passion big stuff together. So what are we gonna do about the ship? I forgot. The pirates is over there. Either or. My back is hurt, my butt, and my passenger survived.
I saw everyone sinking and I brought them up here.
The island. I always want to live here. Everything is dark, and this team all the way together, and that don't make no sense. Which means the other people are up for the nomination. For the cabin, you for